Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have admin rights and a plan. Start now. In the Sharepoint Admin Center, click Create Site and choose Team or Communication based on collaboration needs. Name the site clearly, because the URL derives from it. Once named, set the privacy level and add at least one owner. Upload a logo and pick a site classification if required. These steps establish structure and permissions up front, so you won't need major reorganizing later. Once the site shell exists, customize layout. Adjust the header, theme, and homepage web parts to surface important information. Create document libraries and lists next, adding columns and metadata to support search and filtering. This helps users find content fast. Configure library versioning and retention settings, and define external sharing limits according to policy. Finally, add navigation links and create sample documents. This demonstrates structure and reduces onboarding friction for your. Finish by inviting users and assigning the proper permission levels. Test with a normal user account to confirm access. Configure alerts, power automate flows, and site analytics so you can monitor activity and adjust as needed. Make sure search indexing runs and navigation works on mobile. If something fails, check permission inheritance, group membership, and tenant-level sharing settings first. These are the usual culprits. If problems persist, clear browser cache or try another browser before escalating to your tenant admin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.